This video is about the spikerbit blinking project. What we're going to do is use the spikerbit to pick up the electrical signals sent by the brain to the eye when you blink. So this is what we need for this project. We've got the BBC microbit, the spikerbit sensors, some electrode cables and some electrode pads. The first thing I have to do is slot the BBC microbit into the spikerbit extension board, and then we need to connect the electrode cables to the electrode pads. The black cable is the reference electrode, all we need to do now is connect the electrode cables to the spikerbit using the plug. Plugs in to the left hand side of the spikerbit board, and there we are, all ready to attach the electrode pads to the skin around the eye. So here is the code that we're going to use for this spikerbit. As always, I'm using the makecode.microbit.org blocks editor, and we need to set up a special extension to use the spikerbit. So you go to the extensions tab, click on extensions, and then if you type in spiker, you should get the spikerbit extension. All you need to do is click that extension and it should install it in the menu here. And from that, I've selected the on brain recording block and put that in the on start. And then what we need to do is have a loop which displays either a kind of dash if you're blinking or an O if your eyes are wide open. So I'm going to use this if else block, and the variable that we're going to use is called brain signal. What I've done is worked out that there's a kind of average signal that we get, so I want to look at the extremes to indicate blinking, and I've found just through experience that less than 100 or greater than 700 signals a blink. So I show the dash if the values fall within that range. Otherwise I show the O, that means you're not blinking. All you need to do, download that to the microbit and off you go. I'm going to clean the area of skin where I'm going to attach the electrode pads, and I'm going to make use of one of these alcohol wipes that gets rid of any grease that might reduce the conductivity of the electrodes. So I remove one of these wipes, and then there are 3 electrodes, 3 places on my face to attach them. One of them is going to go just to the side of my eye. The one is going to go just under the bottom of my glasses below the eye. And the third, the black electrode, reference electrode, goes behind my ear. I'm going to attach the black reference electrode first, just because that's the easiest one to do. So that goes behind my ear, difficult to do on myself because I can't see where I'm putting it. That feels about right. Then we've got 2 electrodes, doesn't really matter which way round we put them. So I'm going to put one just to the left of my eye here, and then the remaining electrode goes under my eye, like that. So I've turned on the spikerbit, just to hold it up to the camera there, you can see if I relax a bit. And now if I just put it to my glasses up a bit and put it to the right here, and watch when I blink. You can see it's not perfect. Sometimes it doesn't blink, sometimes it blinks twice. You can tinker with the thresholds to try and improve it for yourself.